everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make famous beef toolo, as some people call it, but in my hood we call it beef. So I have here my lamb nicely chopped, and I have here some bay leaf, black peppercorn, the grains of celery, popularly called in Ghana we call it rentia, and I have here cloves, which we call it pepper. Yeah, my sister just told me pepper. So here is our salt, sea salt. So start first. I'm gonna add in our salt in our pan, and I put in the lamb. Nicely. Adding in our salt. So mixing it all together. Then we throw in our spices. Giving it a very good stir. So this is our food color. I'm adding in a bit. Gonna give it a very good stir. So guys, after I added in the color, this is how our beef looks like. So the color is optional, you can choose to add it or not, but I want mine to have a very pop of color. So I'm gonna leave this for 3 days, then I'll give you the final result. So guys, the third day, this is how the beef looks like. Beautifully done. Look at that. Try this recipe at home, and trust me, you're not gonna buy it outside. The aroma, oh my word, beautifully done. So this is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Love you all.